This app is not available in your country or region on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you can use a VPN. You can download a trusted VPN application and connect to a supported country where the app is available. The second method you can follow is simply you need to clear Play Store data. You can long press on Play Store and select I icon. Now tap on Storage Uses and tap Clear Data and then tap Delete. And after that, this will help you to reflect the VPN location. Now you can easily search for the application and install it. The last thing you can follow is simply changing your Google Play country. For that, open Google Play app. Now tap profile icon at top right and navigate to Settings option where you will see the option of General. Simply tap on it. Now tap Account and Device Preferences. Now under Country and Profiles, you have to select the desired country and add a payment method for the new country if required. Once the country is changed, you can search for and download the app. Now following this method, you can successfully fix this app is not available in your country or region on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.